Hello and welcome back to my sustainability journey, where we give you tips, tricks, insights and awesome growing guidance so we can all help each other build a more sustainable future together as a community. Today I'm going to do a super quick video showing you the difference between natural coloration of a plant's leaves and disease like powdery mildew. Okay, so in this example here, we actually have exactly what we want to be able to show you both the natural coloration of the plant's leaves as well as something like powdery mildew, so you can see the difference. Okay, very quickly, the best way to test it is if you look at this leaf over here, you can see there's some coloration throughout the leaf. So what this is the natural coloration of the leaf as it gets older within a zucchini plant. It does develop a little bit of silver coloration, which can very easily be confused with powdery mildew. If we look at the back, there's a small leaf. You can see there, it's also got spots, but it looks different. But it can also be, there's another one behind here, which is a little bit more difficult to identify because it looks quite similar to this first leaf. So the quick, easy way to do it is to rub. If you look at the coloration, rub it. Is it going away? No. It's staying there. That's the natural coloration of the leaf. If we look at this powdery mildew leaf, rub it, it goes away. There you know, powdery mildew, natural coloration. And then you can treat the powdery mildew. And that's it. So there you go, as simple as that. Now you know how to tell the difference between coloration of the leaf naturally and something that it needs to be treated. Please subscribe to the channel so you can keep updated with all these little tips and tricks we're going to be posting. Hope you enjoyed it, spread the news, and enjoy living sustainably.